Imagine stepping into your workshop, ready to tackle a new welding project. You reach for your auto darkening, solar-powered welding helmet, and it feels like gearing up with the latest superhero tech. This helmet isn't just a piece of safety gear, it's a marvel of modern engineering designed to make your life easier and your work safer. As soon as you strike an arc, the helmet's sensors detect the light and instantly darken the lens, protecting your eyes from the blinding glare. No more flipping your helmet up and down between welds, no more squinting to line up your work. The solar-powered feature keeps your helmet charged as long as there's light, so you never have to worry about batteries running out in the middle of a job. It's like having a trusty sidekick that's always ready to go, letting you focus on what you do best, creating those perfect welds. But it's not all about functionality, there's a lot of fun in using a tool that's this smart. With its sleek design and futuristic technology, wearing this helmet makes you feel like a pro from another planet, seamlessly blending safety and style. The auto darkening feature doesn't just protect your eyes, it enhances your workflow, making every movement smooth and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned welder or just starting out, this helmet gives you the confidence to take on any challenge, knowing that you've got the latest tech on your side. Plus, with solar power, you're harnessing the energy of the sun to fuel your creativity. How cool is that? In the world of welding, this helmet is more than just protection, it's an upgrade to your whole welding experience.